Hello, good afternoon to all my dear students. Today we will learn a new poem from our English textbook. The name of the poem is A Book for My Mother. What is name of the poem? Yes, the name of the poem is A Book for My Mother. Dear students, it is very beautiful poem. This poem is about a little girl and her mother. Okay, before going to start the poem, let us learn about rhyming word. Let's learn about rhyming words. Okay, what is meant by rhyming word? See children, two or more words that have a same or similar ending sound. Two or more words that have a same or similar ending sound are called rhyming words. Understood? Examples of rhyming words are read, need. See children, these both words have a same ending sound. See, read, need, ending sound is same. So these both are rhyming words. And let's see more examples of rhyming words. Street, sweet, day, way, smile, style, funny, money, thought, pot. Understood? These are examples of rhyming words. Dear students, I have written two words here. See, car, man. They are rhyming words. These are rhyming words. No. Why? Because these in car, the ending sound is car. In man, the ending sound is man. So these both words have different sound, different ending sound. So these are not a rhyming words. Understood? Which words have a same or similar ending sound are called rhyming words. Understood? Now let's discuss about new words of this poem with their meanings. Okay? New words. Let's see one by one. Self. What is meant by self? See children, boards fixed to the wall on which one can keep things. Boards fixed to the wall on which one can keep things. Self. We fix the wall and we can keep our necessary things in the self. This is a picture of self. Okay. And next one, fairies. What is meant by fairies? See children, small magical creatures with wings. Small magical creatures with wings. Fairies, we can do magic. So generally fairies are imaginary creatures. Understood? Then fairies are imaginary creatures. Okay? This is a picture of fairies. Okay? Dear students, next one, monsters. What is meant by monsters? Big, ugly, scary creatures. Big, ugly, scary creatures are called monsters. We can find the movies, horror movies. We can find the monsters. Okay. And next one is far away. This is a picture of monsters. Okay. Next one is far away. A place that is far off. The place that is far away is called far away. It is a long distance. Understood? Next one, idea pod. What is meant by idea pod? Yes, a person's mind. A person's mind. We have different ideas in our mind. So that is called idea pod. Person's mind is called idea pod. these are the new words with their meanings. Dear students, in this class we have learned about rhyming words and new words with their meanings. Next class we will discuss about poem. We will see the poem in next class. Okay. Thank you, children.